This is Eureka iron and it does not turn on anymore. It is a common issue for the other brands as well, Black & Decker and couple of others. When I move the cable up and down, it turn on. When I leave the cable, it turn off again. I believe the cable has been disconnected or it got damaged. Before working on iron, make sure the power cable is not plugged in electricity. It has only one screw. You will need a special tool to open this screw. I am using this one. I took out the screw, now keep it safe. Pull out the back part. This back part has two clips at the bottom. If you try to put a lot of force, you might break the clips. Using Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these two. It will lose the power cable. After removing screws, pull it out. I can see where the cable is damaged. With help of cutter, cut the cable. This white plug secure cable connection. I do not have any spare plugs, so I am reusing the same one. This came out easily. Now do the same thing for the other plug as well. Both plugs has been removed. If you have a camera phone, I will suggest to take a photo so you do not put the wrong connections. Remove the old black wire and cut a new one. Now secure the cable. Do the same for the other cable as well. Both cable has been secured. Now place the white part back which has two screws to hold cable. Before putting back the rest of the thing, plug in the electricity and make sure that the iron light is coming on. Light came on, now took off the plug again. Secure the back part and tight it with the screw. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe the channel. Until the next video, goodbye.